Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. In this video, we'll show and tell you how to change the name on YouTube. Be sure to watch the video to the end. Please subscribe to the channel. Like it. Let's get started. And what we need to do is go to the YouTube app on your iPhone or Android. In the top right corner, click on your profile. You should be logged in. Click on your channel. There's Manage Video Analytics. We click on this pencil here. And this is where you can change the link, change your username, and change your name. Click here. After that, we can remove something and add something else. After that, click Save. Also, don't forget that you can change your name only 2 times within 14 days. Changed it. That was the first way. The second way. We go to the YouTube Creative Studio. We also open this profile. Here we click in the upper right corner. Again, I click on Pencil. And here we click on Kinetic and this is where we can remove and add anything else. And then click Save. That's how easy it is on your cell phones to change your YouTube name. Subscribe to the channel. Like it. If you liked this video, thank you all for watching. Goodbye.